Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you the steps on how you can apply for the Bank of America's secured credit card. I'll be guiding you throughout this video, and make sure to watch this video till the end. Now without any further delay, let's get started. So in order to apply for the credit card, first of all you need to open up your web browser, and then on the search box you need to type in the link that is www.bankofamerica.com/creditcard/product, and I'll also make sure to leave the link on my description box below. Now this is an official link to apply for the credit card, and once you're on this page you can see there are a list of options, and you can see that there are lots of information regarding the card. You can go through it, and in order to apply for it, all you need to do is just simply tap on apply now, which is in the bottom left corner. Next page you'll be directed to application portal, and once again you have a statement. Now before you start with the application thing, you must make sure to go through all of these following statements and then scroll down. Now first of all you need to provide your personal information, and after that you need to provide your contact information. Once you're done providing your contact information, you also need to provide your business information, and finally you have a confirmation. So in order to verify, you need to confirm. That will be sent through an SMS or an email. You will be notified that the credit card request has been submitted, and all you need to do is wait patiently until you receive your credit card. So within 5 to 10 days you'll be receiving your credit card, and after you receive your credit card you also need to activate it in order to use it. So that is how you can apply for the Bank of America's secured credit card. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.